everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Me and Pepper up here on Pickerel Lake in Nowthen Township, test riding some more old motors. This one here, I'm not sure what year it is. I think it's a 65 or 66. It's an old one. It's a MQ12A is the model number on it. This motor's not mine. This motor was brought to me for service. It had a really badly cracked gear case in it that it had water in it. It was stored over the winter and cracked up the gear case and rusted up the gears pretty bad and stuff like that. So I just put a new gear case in it and a new water pump and get a little demonstration on how this one goes. So I did not tune this motor up. He said it ran fine, so it seems to. It seems to run pretty good. Pumps water really well. So it's got a brand new impeller. Okay, that'll do it for this one. Thank you for watching. Get the next one on the truck. Bye.